Demonstrative Adjectives. Hello and welcome. In this lesson, you'll learn how to talk about things based on where they are, close to you or farther away, using words like this, that, these, and those. These are called demonstrative adjectives because they help us point to specific things. In Spanish, they must match the gender and number of the noun. For example, este carro, this car, masculine singular. Esa casa, that house, feminine singular. Estos carros, these cars, masculine plural. Esas casas, those houses, feminine plural. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to use these words to describe and point out things around you, just like native speakers do. Let's get started. In Spanish, the word for this is split into singular masculine and singular feminine. The singular masculine word is este, este carro, this car. The singular feminine word is esta, esta casa, this house. The singular masculine word for that is ese, ese carro, that car. The singular feminine word for that is esa, esa casa, that house. The plural masculine word for these is estos, estos carros, these cars. The plural feminine word for these is estas, estas casas, these houses. The plural masculine word for those is esos, esos carros, those cars. The plural feminine word for those is esas, esas casas, those houses. Este señor es bajo. This man is short. In Spanish, señor can be used on its own as a noun, meaning man or gentleman, especially when referring to someone politely. Esta mujer es alta. This woman is tall. Estos tomates son ricos. These tomatoes are tasty. Estas manzanas están grandes. These apples are big. Ese carro es feo. That car is ugly. Esa casa es de María. That house is Maria's. Or, that house belongs to Maria. Esos mangos están caros. Those mangoes are expensive. Esas peras están baratas. Those pears are cheap. Well done! You've just completed the lesson on demonstrative adjectives. Words like este, esa, estos, and esas that help you point out specific things based on how close or far they are. You've learned how to say phrases like this book, that house, these apples, and those cars, and how these words must match the gender and number of the noun they describe. Keep practicing by pointing out things around you in Spanish and asking yourself, is it este or ese, esta or esa? Be sure to review the written material and try the practice activities to lock it all in. Well done, and I will see you in the next lesson.